Good morning. Making a coffee. Just washed my face. I need to hurry up because their face is starting to dry out, but I'm making a coffee and getting something really quick to eat because I have to get ready to go to Pilates and I want to kind of get there early. Class is at 10. It's 8:26 now, and then take Kobe out. Started early, but I'm gonna go ahead and make my coffee and I'll check in with you when I get in the room. Go ahead and spray my face with the toner. Some moisture back into my skin. And then I'm gonna add some of the ordinary rosemary oil. Rose hemp seed oil. I'm gonna use this to wash up my face. I'm trying to get into the habit of gua shaing every day. And I'm using a Terra Hearst gua sha. Oh, I need to open my my lymph nodes. So what I do is I grab here under my armpits and I do a circle for 10 times. And then I do the same thing behind my ear. And in my nose. And then my forehead. And then everything I'm going to do 10 times on each side. So. And my smile lines are really bad on this side. I want to get the red light mask, and hopefully that will help with my smile lines. They say it's supposed to do more, be more beneficial than fillers. And I've noticed like a difference right away, but I can't say that it lasts like throughout the day. I get like puffy again, but that's why I want to get into doing it every day. We're gonna go ahead and finish my skincare. The e.l.f. Hydro eye cream, and I just use that. It's really nice. It's very inexpensive, and I just love it for like everyday eye cream just to add some hydration. Also going in with the e.l.f. This is their moisturizer from the same line. It's really nice. Again, just something light for every day. And then last thing is sunscreen. Hello, so it is Saturday. No, it's Sunday. It's Sunday. I have not picked up this vlog camera in a little while. And I was like, let me just go ahead and pick it up. I just took my hair out of my pin curls. At first, I was just gonna leave my hair pinned all day. But I was like, I'm gonna end up meal prepping and I wanna vlog that. So let me go ahead and take it down. But this is my new hair. I don't think I ever told you guys about like the journey of my hair, but I shaved my head 2020 during the pandemic when we were bored in the house. So I went ahead and I shaved my head, and then I bleached it, and I had like a little blonde mini fro, and I had a blonde fro, and then I did red, and then I decided I was ready to grow my hair out, probably like, I don't know, like in the summer, midsummer. I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and start growing my hair out. So then I dyed it back black, and then I grew my hair, and around February of 2022, I decided that I was gonna get tape-ins because everybody was getting tape-ins. So I was like, let me try out tape-ins. And I flat ironed my hair to kind of prep for it. And I knew I needed a haircut because I did not have a haircut that whole time I was growing my hair out. I would trim my ends, but it was uneven and I knew I needed like a really good haircut. So I went ahead and I flat ironed my hair and then I went to trim it. Ruined it. I didn't use any heat protectant. Don't know what I was thinking. Didn't use any heat protectant and my hair ended up breaking off. So then I didn't shave it down, but I definitely cut it real short. And yeah, now I got it cut in February of 2024 into this little bob. And we're just growing it out and it's doing pretty good. One thing I know about my hair, and this is kind of why I didn't want to do a relaxer. I'm okay at this point in my life. I'm okay with heat damage because I know my hair I have 4C textured hair, but my actual hair strands are really fine. Really thin, really fine. So I don't have a lot of hair on my head. Well, I guess technically I do have a lot of hair on my head. It's thin hair. So, I know that my hair does not hold curls very well. So when I first got it done, I was wrapping my hair every day and my hair was just essentially very flat. So now what I do instead is I pin curl it. So while it doesn't actually have like a lot of curls left in my hair, it's been about 4 days since I got it done. It doesn't have a lot of curls left, but it does keep that body and like movement to it. So I'm a pin curl girl. When I wear my hair straight, then I will wrap it, but just like as of right now, I'm a pin curl girl. So I just took those pin curls down. Right now I am doing some homework, so that's why I'm sitting at my desk. I have a lot of homework to do today. I'm working on getting that done, but in about an hour or so, I'm gonna start meal prepping, so that I wanna vlog for you guys. I'm gonna be doing a couple one sheet pans. I think I'm gonna be doing anything else today. I'm pretty much gonna be spending a lot of time at this desk. My plan is to pretty much sit at this desk until about 6 p.m. see what I can get done, and then depending on how much I have left, finish the work watching Vampire Diaries, because I just started watching that. I've seen like episodes here and there, but I was never really into the show. I don't really know why, but I started watching it yesterday and it's actually really good, so I want to watch a little bit more tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it and I'll talk to you guys once I start meal prepping.